Okay, we have a problem. Why are a lot of people getting sick? It's because we were taught to sneeze and cough all wrong. Some people are taught to sneeze or cough in their hands. But why is that a problem? It's because they either rub it on a shirt or forget about it and touch something else. Hi. Some people are taught to sneeze under their arm or cough. Achoo! But it still goes under and hits something else or somebody. A long time ago, people used to have fresh hankies in their coat pocket. But not a lot of people have those anymore. So a better way than sneezing in your hand or your elbow is into your shirt.
Hi.
Hi.
How you doing?
It might be kind of gross, but it's better for everybody if you keep your cooties with you instead of spraying it on everybody else. Thank you for watching. Please share this with other people and remember to subscribe.
You don't have a YouTube video channel. Say bye-bye.